Homemade creamy pistachio ice cream recipe. If you love nutty, creamy, and refreshing desserts, this homemade pistachio ice cream is a must-try. It's rich, smooth, and made with just a few simple ingredients. No ice cream machine required. Perfect for summer or anytime you crave a sweet, nutty treat. Ingredients: 1.5 cups double cream or heavy whipping cream, half a cup sweetened condensed milk, 2 tablespoons pistachio cream, a pinch of green food coloring, optional, for color, 2 tablespoons chopped pistachios, plus extra for topping. Instructions: whip the cream. In a large mixing bowl, add the double cream. Whisk with a hand mixer or stand mixer until it starts to thicken. Add condensed milk. Pour in the condensed milk and continue whisking until combined. Flavor with pistachio cream. Add the pistachio cream and whisk until the mixture forms soft peaks. Add color and nuts. Mix in a pinch of green food coloring, optional. Gently fold in the chopped pistachios using a spatula. Gently fold in the chopped pistachios using a spatula. Freeze. Transfer the mixture into a freezer-safe container. Cover with cling film or a lid and freeze for 4 to 6 hours or until firm. Serve and enjoy. Scoop into bowls, sprinkle with extra chopped pistachios, and enjoy your creamy pistachio ice cream. Pro tip: for extra flavor, lightly toast the pistachios before chopping them. This enhances their nutty aroma and crunch.